The Diploma of Ag is a one-year course. It's got 8 different subjects that teach students about soils, about plants, about animals, and about farm management. A large proportion of our students that do the diploma are from a farming background, but we still get a lot of students that come in from city background, don't know much about agriculture. It's our job to teach them about agriculture in that year and get them in touch with farmers and farming community.
The awesome thing about a Diploma in Ag is there's all the different industries. I'm not from a farm before coming to Lincoln, but whether you're from a sheep and beef farm or dairy, there's always going to be something new to you, and you're kind of just in the instance of learning something new every day.
Typical day, couple lectures, which are really good, and then often we'll have labs that take what you've learned in class and then you can apply it practically.
When you grow up in the outdoors, you never really want to be sitting still, and I think they make it really easy because they don't expect you to be in lectures for 3 or 4 hours at a time.
It's good because you go in the lecture and then you go out on your field trip or in your lab and you get to actually see what you were talking about, and it starts to all make sense.
Lincoln Uni is pretty proud of the fact that most of its students have got a job within 2 years of graduating.
Having done the Dip Ag, I now feel comfortable just jumping out into it.
I would 100% recommend it. I think it's so great, you meet so many new people. There's heaps of support.
You learn a lot from the lectures, but you also learn a lot from all the people you meet because they are doing all different things, and you learn about different types of farming and all different walks of life.
I mean, it's only a year, and the amount of knowledge and understanding that you get thrown at you is unreal, and before you know it, it's like literally over.